Hello automators, come on in, let's do a tour. This is our brand new home. I want to take you through the home today. We're going to show you everything about it. Now it's pretty empty, honestly, and that's because we're just getting in here. But I want to show you our first room. We're going to show you what we're going to do in the house and some of the automations. And then I want to get your opinion on what I should be doing. So let's go to our first room. We're going to come over. This is the living room, okay? We're going to get a nice big mount here, nice big TV, and then we're going to place a couch kind of where you are. Now, what I'm hoping is that we can use that TV and swivel mount towards where we are here in the dining room. Now, the dining room is huge, and honestly, I gotta buy one of those big tables with the different leaves in them. And then we're hoping we can kind of store it here with what is actually the first smart device that I brought into the house because I needed to clean all the floors in here, and this has been perfect for this. I've been around here about 100 times. These floors, all they can really have on them is a little bit of water. So I know that's kind of a common thing, and I'm really excited that I have that. I'm actually not too sure what to do with robot vacuums. Now, let me show you right here. We kind of got stuck with a thermostat here. This is what the builder put in for us. It's a Honeywell home, nothing wrong with this, but it's not really a connected thermostat, so we can't do all the smarts, and I definitely want to be doing some smarts. So I'm looking for opinions. I'm thinking Ecobee here to replace that. Now, the one problem is right here. These HRV systems, they are really hard to deal with. They have their own voltage system. I've already been talking about some of the switches throughout the home. They're really hard to deal with. I'm not sure what to do there from an automation standpoint, so I'd love your opinions. But we've got all these nice light fixtures in this place. All of the light bulbs have been put in. They look great. So this is all gonna end up Lutron Caseta. Now, I'm not sure what color I'm gonna use. I'm kind of thinking the gray Divas for a lot of these so I can put dimmer bulbs and everything. But again, I'd love to hear your opinions, what you guys think. Welcome to the kitchen. You know, I'm really excited for a big, nice working space here. There's a great island. It was one of the things that sold me on the place. I gotta look at a Moen Smart Tap. I don't know if those are worth it, but I'd love to hear you guys' opinion on that. Now, I do have some appliances. We'll talk about those in a second. But right away, I had to bring in my Govee kettle. That's for coffee here in the mornings when I'm here. And I brought in the Echo Show 8. Now, there's a funny reason for that. I don't actually still have Wi-Fi in this place. We don't have internet or Wi-Fi. One of the great things about the Echo Shows is they let you cast through Bluetooth to them even when there's no internet. So that's actually been a big help. I've been able to play music as we've been around here. You guys might be a little bit surprised that this little sticker on here says Samsung SmartThings. So yes, this microwave, it's connected through Samsung SmartThings. Now, why that's okay for me as someone who's not really using SmartThings anymore is because of the Home Connectivity Alliance. That's gonna let me bring this into other applications, not on day one, but as we go forward. Now, I love the size of this microwave. That's actually the biggest thing that sold me on it. I love how skinny it is, and I kind of like that it's blue inside myself. Now, there's a lot to like about this oven, and it's actually from Samsung again. Now, all of these, they play this great little song. I don't know why they all play this great little song. This is an air fryer oven too, so it's a full air fryer. Again, it connects to Samsung SmartThings. The one thing I didn't do is buy the one with the camera in it. I didn't feel like I needed that, and it was like another $1,000 or something. Now, one of the things I'm actually really excited about is the fact that this is a full induction cooktop. Like, this is a huge burner, but you can change the size of the burner. There's 3 different sizes here. The other thing that's really neat is you can combine these 2 burners into like a big griddle or grill. So I'm really excited to use that in the air fryer. Now, let's head over to this fridge here. A little different. Well, hey there. Welcome to our fridge. Now, this is an LG fridge, and actually it makes 4 different kinds of ice. This thing's crazy. It's stupid crazy. But let me show you something else. this fridge, like I said, makes 4 different kinds of ice. Now this is 1 right here. This is 2. You can switch between them, and this is your water output, okay? But what's really neat is down here, honestly, this is why I bought the fridge. Right here, craft ice. Yes, I am this crazy. Anyways, and then I got some mini cubed ice right there. So pretty excited for all of that. One of the things about the house that I realized before we go upstairs, I gotta get Ethernet into the middle of the home. I gotta do my network right. Now, I've had a couple of you guys ask me, hey, can you show us how to really set up your smart home the right way? So one of the things I have to do right away is I gotta get Ethernet here, okay? They put it over in the corner in the kitchen over there, and I gave them heck for it. But this is where I've gotta get it up to. I gotta get an electrician in to get some extra plugs here too. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna get the network done correctly. Hey there, come on up. All right, well, welcome to our second living room. Now, obviously, this is gonna be the comfy space. I don't know how much you guys will see this, but we're gonna get a nice couch here with some chaise lounges, I think. We wanna make sure that we have a lot of comfort because we're gonna have to mount another TV here. Now, one thing that I've been really impressed with, actually, is our laundry. And it's right here. This is kind of a special model. These are a dark green, a specific set from Samsung. You would not have believed the effort and the incredibly difficult installation process. They actually leaked all over the home on day 1 when I got this. It was a panic situation. There was so much water on the ground. But once we got it figured out that it was just a valve, they are fantastic. Now, again, they all sing to you. They're Samsung Smart Things ready again. And you just switch actually between the washer and the dryer right here on the panel, and you just move through the different cycles and settings that you have. Now again, they're all connected, so these are going to tell me when they're done, but they're super quiet. They've been fantastic already. I've been using them a ton, so I'm actually really excited about just knowing when my laundry's done. Welcome to the master bedroom. Now, you might be fooled by this. No, that's not an Aqara T1M. That's actually the fixtures that we got in here. They're kind of neat to look at, but I have to smarten all of this up. And so I've already said, I'm gonna put Lutron cassette on lots of these switches, but I also have to make decisions around these windows. I've already made that decision. Again, I'm gonna go with Lutron. The big reason I'm gonna go with Lutron cassette is for reliability. And so we're gonna get the Serena shades here. I think I'm gonna do the honeycomb ones in the bedrooms. That should block out the light really good. And then I'm gonna see, I might need some automated curtains as well, but we'll wait and see that one. But the big reason there is reliability, and then I'm gonna be able to use that with any system that we're using in our home. So I'm not stuck with a specific hub. Now, there is a walk-in closet over here. That's really nice to just have, but obviously I've got to deal with all of the leak detection throughout this home. So that's something I'm placing leak detectors around right now, and I have to do some work down in the basement too and put on, actually I have a Zeus valve actuator that I'm going to put on that down in the basement. So really that's the only automation here other than maybe the fan here on the wall and obviously the lighting. So this is part of the HRV system, and yeah, it's a weird voltage, so you gotta get specific light switches. If any of you have dealt with this kind of a system where you can go kind of 20, 40, 60 running the fans in your bathroom and what you replaced that switch with, I'd love to hear it. I haven't found anything yet. This is the kids' room right here. Again, we got these neat little fixtures, but those are actual fixtures, and this is why I can't be replacing them with smart bulbs or anything else. I'm gonna have to replace the fixtures and deal with the light switches. Now, this is a pretty plain room for my kid. There's nothing really special here, but there is one thing that I have to deal with throughout the whole home, And I want to stop here. I want to thank the members of our channel. Without you guys, honestly, this place is not possible for me, okay? But Hugh, one of our channel members, actually suggested that we do a comparison of smart smoke detectors. So we're looking at that right now, Hugh. We're gonna do that. This is something I gotta replace throughout the home. There's like 6 or 7 of those little detectors that we've got to deal with. This is the last room in the house here. This is an extra bedroom, so I guess my kid's gonna get an extra room in this house. Lucky kid. Otherwise, let's head to one last place I want to show you today. All right, we're outside. They literally just poured this pad today. I'm really excited because this is where our garage is going. Now, when the garage comes, I've actually done a couple of extra things that'll really make it easy to build a smart garage. Now, first of all, the garage comes with a smart garage door opener, so I'm gonna know when it's opening and closing. But the other thing that's really exciting is I'm running Ethernet cable out here, so I can actually put a different hub out, and we're gonna build this into a really good smart garage out here. So I'm excited. I got extra storage at the top of it. We got a big, nice door. Everything is feeling just right with this. And obviously we're still in a construction zone. So we got a long ways to go here before everything's done. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching the tour today. We're going to show you some more in the basement once we get the basement ready for a full studio, okay? So stay tuned for that. Otherwise, let me know in the comments what you think we should be doing here, what I'm missing in this house before we get our full smart home setup. Otherwise, thanks for watching today, guys. And of course, live smart.